Have you ever wondered what it's like to be a startup founder? To put something out there and ride the extreme roller coaster of highs and lows as the world reacts to your work? I love a good startup story, and I'm writing mine in real time as it happens, for better or for worse. Hi, my name is Colin Matthews, and I am aiming to build a $1 million startup in public. No co-founders, no funding. I have done this before, but it's not easy. I co-founded a company called Mailshake in 2016, and during my tenure there, we generated over $20 million in revenue. In 2022, I said goodbye to my friends there and left to start all over again. I'm going all in on this journey full time, and at the end of every week, I'm sharing detailed videos about my progress. I'm sharing tactics I've tried in marketing and sales. I'm going to be demoing product features and ideas. I'll let you guys in on numbers like costs and revenue and signups. And maybe most importantly, I'm going to be sharing all the feels that I'm feeling. My hope is that you're going to follow along to encourage me and act as a sounding board for the many decisions I have to make. And I also hope that I can shed light on what it's like to be a founder. So in conclusion here, there's going to be many twists and turns, some near misses, and hopefully a fair share of exciting inflection points. And if I'm successful, you'll get to say that you were there from the beginning and you watched the whole thing unfold. And if I'm not, then, well, at least we'll have learned a hell of a lot from this experiment. Welcome to the Colin Makes Software channel, and I hope to see you every Friday.